If you are looking for hands-on learning opportunities and meaningful activities for your kids, Duval County 4-H is inviting families to come explore what it has to offer. So joining us today, it's Steve Jolly, a 4-H Youth Development Extension agent, and there's a lot of initials that go with your title. Steve, so I'm gonna just kind of turn it over to you to explain what happens with the Extension Office for Duval County and what all of those letters mean.
Yes, absolutely. So Duval County Extension is a part of the University of Florida's Institute of Food and Agricultural Sciences. And so what we do is that we take the research from the University of Florida and extend it to the community in various ways. So we have the Agriculture Department, as well as the Family Consumers Department, and a 4-H, which is the youth development arm of the University of Florida.
I feel like a lot of people know that phrase, 4-H. The
Right.
4-H club, they see county fairs, they know that there's a lot of agriculture involved in that. This 4-H open house, it's an annual tradition.
Right.
And what will happen there? And then we're gonna get to this little guy right here. There's a little robot on the table here, and we're gonna talk about that. And the kids are gonna get to see that. But what else happens at 4-H?
So at the open house, residents will have the opportunity to meet with extension professionals, learn about the different programs and resources that we have available at the office, and just, get to know what the Extension Office has to offer.
Okay, and this is happening when?
This is happening on Saturday, August 29th at
Okay.
10 a.m. Up until 1 p.m. And it'll be located at the Duval County Extension Office, and that'll be at 1010 North McDuff Avenue.
Okay, and we're going to throw that information on the screen before we're all done here today. But let's meet Spheros. Okay,
Yes.
so when you first told me about this, I thought this was something on your iPad, but your
Right.
iPad is just how you're controlling this.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so what's going to happen now?
Yes, so this is called a Spiro. It's a tiny robot, and this is a part of our STEAM club. And so kids will get the opportunity to learn about robotics, and it'll also be available at our open house. And so the way that we work it is that it currently has a display on it, but we can change it to whatever we want to.
Okay, so he's got a little face. I'm going to turn his little
It's a little
face to the
face.
camera. Oh, I think you probably could have done that. But
Yep.
okay, so actually, you know what? I'm going to let you control. I'm sitting here touching him. He's like, "Don't touch me."
Yep,
Only
so-
Steve can operate.
Right. So we can change the display with it. We also can change the LED color as well. So you can see the color changing on it as well. And now we're going to get it to move.
All right. Oh, there he goes.
There it is.
He's so cute.
Yep. And so through this program, students and youth, they'll get the opportunity to learn about programming as well as coding. And like I said, it'll be available at the open house.
Okay, now this is obviously just the beginning of the kind of things that we can do with robotics.
Absolutely.
But it has to start somewhere. And so when you bring your kids to an event like this, you're doing something as a family, and you're doing something where they're having some hands-on opportunity to learn as well. So we're going to throw that information up for you on the screen. And this is happening at 1010 North McDuff at the Extension Office.
Right.
And it is on Saturday, August 29th from 10 until 1. And Steve, I would love to see you guys come back and see us more often, because you guys do these things for the community. Everything from teaching us how to, properly grow a garden, everything that you do. Excuse me. So I'm going to say goodbye to you right now, and we're going to be right back.